Oh, it's such a fantastic atmosphere. We are so proud of our learners. Our learners have done exceptionally well. Our pass rate has remained consistently high. We've actually seen an increase this year. Our A-level pass rate stands at 99%, with 33% of grades awarded being A-star A grade, 60% A-star to B, and 84% of grades being awarded being A-star to C grade. And it's really great to see so many of our learners doing so well.
It's brilliant to be here, to see so many smiling faces and see so many people whose hard work has now produced the results that they deserve. And I'm really pleased for them, and university awaits, and I hope they enjoyed it as much as I did.
It's a day of celebration. It's a day where we can really see with their families what it's all about and help them then move on to their next stage of their journey, whether that's university, whether that's further training, whether that's apprenticeships. We've got alternatives, and that's what's so important to hang on to. There are alternatives, and we can help you move to whatever is next. Everything is worthy of a celebration, and that goes for our A-level learners but also our vocational learners as well. We're really, really proud of them.
I'm so proud of our Oxbridge cohort this year. We've got several learners going on to study at a wide variety of colleges in Oxford and Cambridge and to take a wide variety of courses, and they've done absolutely fantastically.
I'm Bethany. I am over the moon with my results, and I'm off to study medicine at Cardiff University.
I'm Rhys Honey-Jones, and I got 1 A-star and 2 A's, and I'm going to study land economy at Trinity Hall, Cambridge.
I'm Sophie. I got 3 A-stars. I'm chuffed. I'm going to Bath Uni to do biochemistry, and I'm really excited.
Hiya, my name's Mia Jenkins, and I'm going to Cardiff Uni to study dental therapy and hygiene, and I got 3 A-stars, and I'm chuffed.